Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how to use your perks and any half off coupons that you have earned as a Perfectly Posh customer. So you would go to my website, poshwithkelly.com, and it will probably look something like this. You know, the pictures can change, but you should see that you're shopping with Kelly, that's me, up at the top, and select a party. You can pick what party you're going to shop in. You just click that and any parties I have open will show up right here. If you don't know what party to shop in, always pick Posh with Kelly VIPs. I really appreciate that. And I'll tell you why in a minute. So you want to make sure you're logged in. So I clicked on login on the top right there and I just put in my info. Loading. Here we go. Your screen might look a little different from mine because I am a consultant, so I have these extra things here under my account. But you should have this: personal info, order history, address book, payment methods, your wish list, my perks, and how to quick order. But let's click on my perks. If you just want to view your perks account and see how many you have and what you've earned them for, you click my perks and it will tell you exactly how many you have right here. Now, to read that number in dollar amounts, you just put a decimal point in, 2 spaces from the right here, just go in 2 spaces. So I have $958.82 worth of perks. Yes, that is correct. And I have just sent out a bunch of perks to people that are in my VIP group. So that's what that is. But I also earn perks too. So this is what yours might look more like. Purchase 3 consecutive months, you get 500 perks. That is worth $5. Remember, just put that decimal point in there. $5 worth of perks when you buy 3 months in a row. And you also earn perks every time you place an order. You never want to check out as a guest. Always make sure you're logged in. So you earn perks for an order, and you can earn perks by being a hostess. This shows that I earned 500 perks for $200 in sales. I also earn money on that as well, but we earn perks for things too. So that's why my perks account just gets so big. Plus, I can be my own party hostess. Let's shop so you can see how to apply your perks. I'm going to add this Be So Gold Glare Liquid Shimmer Eyeshadow to my cart. I'm going to click on my cart and it will look like this for you. Whenever you put in your cart, it will show up like this. You'll also see your available perks here, how many perks you're earning on the purchase, whatever's in your cart already. So this costs $20. You earn 10% back in perks. So 10% of $20 is $2. That equals 200 perks. You can also buy it for $20 worth of perks, which you do like so. You should be able to type it in by clicking in this box, but if you can't, I found this little tip. You just click the up arrow and it pops it in there for you. Click apply, and you'll see it shows up as $0. And you'll see the perks earned went back down to 0 because you don't earn perks when you've bought something with perks. That makes sense. And you'll see here that I have samples in my cart that I am buying with perks. Thank you so much for shopping in my Posh with Kelly VIPs event when you do check out, because I earn perks as that party hostess, and then therefore I have all this extra perks balance to apply to buy samples for all of you. So that is why you would always want to check out in a party, whether you have a friend hosting or not. But by all means, if you have a friend hosting or you just want to help out a fellow shopper, check out in their parties as well, because I'm sure they'll really appreciate it. So that's how you do that. Also, if you wanted to buy something with a half off code, let me just put something else in my cart here. Now I have the mask in my cart and I'm going to see my rewards. Now, if you are a party hostess, you'll earn some half off codes. You'll also, I give them out as prizes sometimes, so you don't have to be a hostess. I can share perks with my customers. I can share half off codes with my customers. So this is how you redeem them. Let me go back and show you again. See my rewards, click that, and your hostess rewards will pop up. You won't see perks here, but you will see any half off codes that you've earned. And you just click redeem. But before I do that, I want to show you this tab here, My Rewards. Party hostesses can also earn free products. If you've earned any free products as a party hostess, they'll show up here, and there'll be a redeem button over here on the right, but I've redeemed all of mine. Like you'll see here, this is mostly stuff I've earned from being a consultant, but I did earn this product bundle for a party in November. I earned this for a party in November. These two were consultant rewards, and then this was from my hosting a party in November. So consultants can earn all the party hostess rewards and earn cash on top of it all, and perks, and so many other free things. So if I had anything to redeem, I'd want to click redeem and get it into my cart so I don't have to pay extra shipping on it. I'm going to click redeem on this half off code, and it brings me back to my cart. And for some reason, even though I put it on, I already had this paid with perks, it put it on the eyeshadow instead. There are lots of little nuances here, and I'm not quite sure why it does that, but instead I'm just going to apply those perks to this one. No sweat. I'm still getting 2 items for just $10, as you can see. The subtotal here is 60. The perks, it says took off 50 for some reason, but it can get confusing. I understand. If you ever have a situation where it's not adding up correctly for you, or you're not understanding what's going on, please send me a screenshot of your cart and check with me before you check out, so I can clear up any mistakes before you submit this order. But it does all add up correctly. I'm still just paying $10 for the product plus $5.99 shipping. As I click secure checkout, it will take me through the billing process. It will add the sales tax, because that's how it will know which state it's going to. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions, just let me know. And I hope this was helpful. Bye.